Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and we're going to solve it in two different ways, and so let's begin. So first, we're going to solve it the standard way. So we have 9, 4, 2, 8, 1. It's being divided by 2. And we think to ourselves, how many times does 2 go into 9? That's going to be 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8, and so we subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. We bring down this 4. And then we think to ourselves, how many times does 2 go into 14? It's going to be 7 times. 2 times 7 is 14, so we get a 0. And so we bring down this 2. So we think, how many times does 2 go into 2? That's 1 time. And so we get 2 minus 2 is 0, and so we bring down the 8. And so we think, how many times does 2 go into 8? That's going to be 4 times. And we get 2 times 4 is 8, so 0. And so we bring down this 1. We think to ourselves, how many times does 2 go into 1? That's 0 times. So I put a 0 right here. I put a dot. And then I go ahead and add a 0. We think, how many times does 2 go into 10? That's going to be 5 times. And so this is our final answer, 47,140.5. Okay, now we'll solve it another way. So I'm going to rewrite it as a fraction. So 94,281 divided by 2. And now I'm going to split it up. An easy number to work with is 94. 94 divided by 2, I know it's 47. So instead, I'm going to change this problem to 94,000 divided by 2. Obviously, this is different than that. But if I go ahead and I add 280 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, they're equivalent because they each share the same denominator of 2. So if we add the numerator, 94,000 plus 280 plus 1, we get 94,281. So 94,000 divided by 2, we said is going to be 47,000. 280 divided by 2, we know it's going to be 140. And 1/2 is just 0.5. And so if we put it together, we'll get 47,140.5, the same answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.